Are you looking for the best mobility scooter? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best mobility scooter on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Aotedor AM985 Mobility Scooter. The Aotedor mobility scooter is designed to provide a reliable and safe mobility solution for adults. You can easily fold it in just 3 steps, making it convenient for transport and storage. With its lightweight design and TSA-friendly batteries, you can travel up to 22 miles on a single charge, allowing for worry-free outings. The powerful motor offers adjustable speeds up to 4.97 miles per hour, ensuring a smooth ride across various terrains. Additionally, the user-friendly control panel makes it simple to monitor your battery level and speed, enhancing your overall experience. What we like: lightweight and foldable design, long travel range, adjustable speed settings, user-friendly control panel. Number 2. Heavy-duty mobility scooter for seniors and adults. The heavy-duty mobility scooter for seniors and adults is a powerful and comfortable electric scooter that can hold up to 500 pounds. Equipped with a variable speed control dial, this scooter can reach speeds of up to 18 miles per hour. The large 16-inch tires and 2 rear shock absorbers make for a smooth ride on all terrains, while the full lighting system and intuitive twist throttle control ensure safety. The deluxe reclining captain's seat with folding armrests and a safety belt provide comfort, and there's plenty of storage space for valuables. This high-performance scooter is powered by a 600-watt transaxle brushless electric motor and a 60V20Ah long-range extended battery. What we like: can hold up to 500 pounds. Variable speed control dial. Large 16-inch tires and 2 rear shock absorbers for a smooth ride on all terrains. Deluxe reclining captain's seat with folding armrests and a safety belt for comfort. Powered by a 600-watt transaxle brushless electric motor and a 60V20Ah long-range extended battery for high performance. Number 3. Cebihy 4-wheel mobility scooter. The Cebihy mobility scooter is designed for convenience and ease of use. It assembles in just 10 minutes, making it perfect for seniors or those with limited mobility who want to travel without hassle. With a 360-degree swivel seat that adjusts to fit various body types, getting in and out of the scooter is a breeze. The user-friendly control panel allows you to easily operate the scooter, adjusting speed and direction without confusion. Plus, its robust safety features, including anti-rollover wheels, ensure a secure ride every time you venture out. What we like: quick assembly, swivel and adjustable seat, user-friendly controls, enhanced safety features. Number 4. Glashow Foldable Mobility Scooter. The Glashow mobility scooter is designed for your convenience and freedom. With a powerful battery, you can travel up to 25 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for long outings. Its robust motor and large wheels allow you to navigate various terrains, tackling obstacles like curbs with ease. The scooter folds easily for trunk storage, weighing just 70.5 pounds, so you can take it anywhere. For added safety, an on-seat sensor ensures you're securely seated before you drive, giving you peace of mind on your journeys. What we like: long-range travel capability, all-terrain navigation, easy trunk storage, enhanced safety features. Number 5. Ecomobi MS02 Mobility Scooter. The Ecomobi MS02 scooter is designed for convenience and comfort. Its foldable design allows for easy transport and storage, making it perfect for those on the go. With a powerful 350W motor, you can navigate slopes up to 15 degrees and travel for up to 15 miles at a speed of 7 miles per hour. The detachable 15Ah battery ensures hassle-free charging, allowing you to power up without difficulty. Enjoy a comfortable ride with an adjustable seat that rotates for easy entry and exit, helping you stay mobile with ease. What we like: easy transport and storage, powerful motor for varied terrains, detachable battery for convenience, Comfortable, adjustable seating.